Hi guys, Jack here. I just want to share a quick little fun activity that you can create some love and cultivate some more gratitude into your daily practice, especially when you're at home and you've got time and space to do so. So first things first, all you need is some paper, scrap paper, post-it note paper, whatever you've got there, and of course some texters, highlighters, pens. I love highlighters. I love the bright colors. You can do some highlighters, pencils, whatever, and a container of some sort. You can have a recycled jar of honey, it gets cleaned of course, or an old container of any kind. I have these containers. I think I got this one from Big W. I like it because it looks glass but it's plastic and it's nice and clear, nice and big, and it's got a nice little wooden top lid. So that's my gratitude jar. I've got one in every healing center space that we've got. So at Breathing Space in Werribee, we've got a gratitude jar there. It's a big fishbowl glass. And I've got one here in the workshop area in Altona Meadows. And I've also got one in Torquay too. So that's the jar. That's the textures. I've still got the tag on my container. And that's it. How do you write gratitude? Basics. Every day. Just make a habit. Come to the jar, write down something so small. It could be about going for your 5-minute walk. It could be about going for your hour walk. It could be about going out in the rain and doing a walk anyway. It could be about chugging through some paperwork that you've been putting off because you've been too busy with work. It could be being grateful for the people that you live with, that everyone's been quite loving and supportive at this time. Anything at all. Anything that you are super, super grateful for. Little funny moment though, I've been coaching meditation for yonks, and I used to crack a bit of a dad joke at the end when I remind people to come back to a place of gratitude before we finish off. And I would suggest that if you're not sure where to start, if you don't know where to be grateful or where to start to feel grateful or gratitude, just start with toilet paper. And I'd usually get a bit of a giggle around the room because of course we're grateful for toilet paper, and of course now more than ever, are we not grateful for toilet paper? Anyway, it was funny for me when all of a sudden this crisis about panic purchasing of toilet paper has become a thing. Anyway, so start adding in some daily fun activities in the house, starting off with a gratitude jar. At the end of the week or the end of the month or the end of the year, it's really nice to sit down and go through everything that you've added to the jar and go, oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, that's right. It's really good. I like doing that anyway. So let me know how you go doing this activity. Send me some pictures in the comments. Let me know how it goes. And of course, if you want to share your gratitude on our pages and on our groups too, you can do that too. Lots of love. Bye.